Guys, welcome to the tutorials of Aqsit. In these videos, we'll learn how to use the app Aqsit. In this video, we'll learn how to add and use projects. So this is the My Project screen wherein you'll find all the ongoing as well as previous projects of yours with all its details. Now first, we'll learn how to add a new project. When we click on this purple add button, we'll be able to add a new project. Name it as per what we want. Select the thumbnail and there we go. Inside every project you'll find all its details and several other functionalities. These functionalities we'll be understanding in further videos. Now first let's learn how to edit or delete a project. Now when we click on these three dots that you can see next to duplex redesign, you'll find this option of editing a project. You can edit the project from here and save it. There's something called status. So whatever stage your project is in right now, you can select that very stage. So for example, right now it is an execution stage. You can select execution, or you can add any stage that you want. And select it, and these changes you will be able to see on the dashboard. When you click on delete project, you will be able to delete the project, but beware, all the details inside the project will also be deleted. Now let's go to profile. There's something called my company details. Inside this, you will be able to add your company data like the company name, the GST number, email ID, phone number and address, along with the logo. These details are very important when you are creating proposals and invoices. These details will be shown in the PDF. So when you are starting off using this app, make sure you fill off these details. In the next video, we'll learn how to use the functionalities present in Aqsit. You can watch all the tutorial videos in the help section inside the tutorials folder. You can check out other guides here as well. If you'd like to schedule a personalized demo with our team, you can click on go to book a demo on the top of the help page. Here you'll be able to select a date and time and you'll receive a personalized scheduled demo. Thank you.